Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Yorkshire Bank Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in secure.yponline.co.uk and press enter. You will now be taken into the Yorkshire Bank website. Now click on the login button at the top section and then click on your appropriate login portal. You can then continue forward to the login portal. Just type in your username or your customer number within the username and customer box and then click on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your account password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Yorkshire Bank mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot customer number or the forgot password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Yorkshire Bank Mortgages. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.